exceptionally bouncy today, just like me. Why, you might ask? Because today we are going to be putting those excellent jumping skills you've been working so hard to master to a new skill. We're going to be learning how to skip with a rope. Now, skipping with a rope is heaps and heaps of fun, and it gives us an entire body workout. We're going to be getting our hearts racing and our jumping legs pumping. So before we get started, have you got your comfy shoes on? Have you done your warm-ups? And have you brought your can-do attitude? Awesome! Let's skip to it!
The first thing we need to do is find the rope that's right for you. Hold one handle of the rope in each hand, just like this. Put one foot on the rope and push it to the floor. If your handles come up just underneath your armpits, this is the right-sized rope for you. Next, let's revise jumping. In skipping, we jump and keep our feet together. We land on our toes and we keep our knees a little bit bent. Let's take a look in slow motion. Jump, land on toes and bend knees. Now it's time to learn our arms. Standing nice and straight, extend your arms out into propeller arms, just like this. Our arms are low and in line with our hips. These are our propeller arms. Propeller rotations. When propellers spin, they create movement. Think of a helicopter propeller going around and around. Start with your propeller arms, then make circular movements to spin your propellers. Just like this. Small circles. This is the basic arm movement we will be doing when we turn the rope. Propeller rotations.
Okay, let's try some of that with the rope this time. So before you start skipping, you've always got to check to make sure that you're not standing too close to your friends. We do not want to flick them with our rope.
Holding the rope out in front of you, grasp your hands around the handles. This is the propeller's ready position. Imagine our helicopter engines are on and we're going to push our energy out into our propeller arms. Push. Now rotate your arms to spin the rope. Let's try that again. Propellers ready, propellers out, and rotate. We need to master this action before we add a jump. Either step over the rope or practice catching the rope underneath your toes. Let's look in slow motion. Propeller rotation, lift toes, catch, and pull through.
So there's a lot to remember when trying to learn to skip. The important thing is to never give up. You're not going to get this the first time. So practice and practice some more. Once we've done lots of practicing, we'll start adding a jump.
Propeller arms ready, arms, rotation, and jump, jump, jump. The trickiest thing is finding your rhythm and timing your jump. Look what happens when you don't. Ha, we've all been there, so don't worry. Just keep trying. When you hear the rope hit the ground, jump. You'll be skipping in no time. And skipping and skipping and skipping and skipping until you flop.
That's my workout done for the day. Well done, team! Whew. What a workout! Night-night. I'll get there in a minute. And putting them to use in a new skill. Today we're going to be using